ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच ज्ञेयः स नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते। Fifth chapter, third sloka. So Bhagavan Krishna started answering to Arjuna's question, Karma Yoga, Sannyasa Yoga. Among these two, which is best, which is suitable for me? So the second sloka, Bhagavan Krishna very clearly told, both has plus and minus, pros and cons. But for you, the best suitable is Karma Yoga, because Karma Yoga has more advantage and more possibilities of renouncing all type of karmas. Because sannyasa life, there are very less karmas, but being a Kshatriya, you have lot of karmas to do, and renunciating all karmas, it will give lot of punyams. Then you can be qualified for Jnana Yogam, and then you can liberate yourself. Get Jnanam and you can get liberation. So in this particular sloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, Raga Dvesam, desire and hate, likes and dislikes. Who do not desire on anything, who do not hate on anything, they are the best renuncier, the sannyasi. Sannyasi means character, who does renunciation. So, like these twins, pleasure and sorrow, happy and sorrow, good and bad, like this, likes and dislikes. So desire and hate, these two, like this, dual. Who do not have any desire, who do not have any hate on anything, they will succeed in everything, they will attain the goal. Because they are totally out of bondage, no bondage will control them, they will become born out of bondage. Who do not have these two characters, Raga Dvesam, on anything and everything, I don't like this or I don't have this. Who have this type of karma yogi, but he has to do karma, but he has to do Raga Dvesam on karma phala. Whether I should not jump when desired things happens, when good things happens. I should not go and cry when sad things happens. Samatvam yoga muchyate. Who has balanced mind, content mind, sthira prajnaha, those type of, who is anonymous, who is magnanimous, who is what exactly, who is balanced in likes and dislikes. Here Bhagavan Krishna very clearly uses the words desires and hates. Who do not have desire, who do not have hate, they don't have bondage, they are the best people, they are real karma yogi and eligible for Jnana Yogam, and they can attain liberation. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see fourth sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat.